Alright friends, now we will see other features in for loop. So I want to print from 1 to 10. So I should update the loop. What I need to do? What's my starting value? My starting value is 1. So it needs to end at 10. So I change my condition. E is less than or equals to 10. I increase E value 1 by 1. So I print from 1 to 10. 10 is included because I put my condition is less than or equals to. So equals to means when E becomes 10, 10 is less than or equals to 10 is true. So it enters for loops again. I increase E value, E becomes 11. So 11 is less than or equals to 10, no. So for loops ends. Okay. I run it. You see, I print it from 1 to 10. Okay. So, if I want to print the numbers from 0 to 100, what I need to do? I come here, I say 100, and then my starting value is 0. I update initial value and the condition. I run again. You see, I print it as I want. So, if I want to print even numbers from 0 to 100, what I need to do? So I need to change my increase condition. So instead of 1 by 1, I need to increase 2 each time. So for doing this, I can do E equals to E plus 2. So what's my starting value? My starting value is 0. So it enters the for loop. So after that, I increase it. I open my pen. You see, I put 0 here. So E becomes 0 plus 2. E becomes 2. So I print 2. So it loops through again. So E becomes 2. 2 plus 2. E becomes 4. So I print 4. So thanks to that, I print even numbers. So I save it. I run it. You see, I print even numbers successfully. Super. So we can also write plus equals to 2. This is a shorter version instead of E equals to E plus 2. Both are correct and both do the same thing. This is just shorthand way to writing the same logic. Super. So I am putting into comments. So I come here and say, I open my for loop. Okay, super. So in this lesson, we learn how to modify it. How to modify my condition. How to modify increase value. I can also decrease value. I can change my initial value too. I can count down. So we will see it in the next lesson.